Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdegam Chimthanawala. Let us see something more on warts. As I told you, the first part of warts, you have seen the different types of warts, some rarely indicated remedies for warts which we use generally when we fail with our other remedies. In the continuation process, this is part 2 of warts. As where I left behind natremure warts, I told warts on the palms of the hands and had compared that with anacardium. You must go and see the first videos so that you can know the comparative remedy of anacardium and natremure. Second remedy which is very common and very frequently used is nitric acid. Now there are a lot of other symptoms of nitric acid, but today we'll only see what are the important and what is the most important part to see in nitric acid. First of all, warts are large, jaded, bleeding on washing. That is a very important symptom of nitric acid. The wart bleeds on washing. This is important. Otherwise, there are different type of warts in thuja or nitric acid or calcarea floor or natremure. Warts are same written. Warts are large, jaded. Warts are cauliflower type, but bleeding on washing is nitric acid. You come across patients where they say that warts grow very easily. I had 2 warts, now I have 6 warts, now I have 8 warts. Different type of wart, but the wart grows very easily. Those personalities, if you see, a very important remedy is Kaliars. In Kaliars, you have to remember the warts grow very easily. And sometimes what happens, the patient comes with warts and the warts are very painful. The painful and it is stinging, painful and stinging warts. So then it becomes a very important indication of a very infrequently used remedies. That is Kali silicatum, where the warts are painful, stinging and suppurating also sometimes. This is Kali silicatum. There is one more remedy where the warts are painful and it is Kali sulph. So you have to differentiate between Kali silicatum and Kali sulph. In Kali silicatum also the warts are painful but stinging pain, also sometimes suppurating. In Kali sulph it is only painful warts. What bleeds? I told you nitric acid. One more remedy where the wart bleeds and that is phosphorus. In nitric acid they are large, bleeding on washing. In phosphorus you have to only remember that bleeding warts. This is how you have to differentiate bleeding warts, painful warts, soft warts, large warts, cauliflower type, and then you can easily come to the remedy. Sometimes the patient comes to the warts are very large. बोलते हैं ना बड़े warts है, ऐसे नरम लटकते रहते हैं, large warts and soft warts. So this is a very important remedy which I have used in my practice. So the warts are large and soft and the remedy is Maxsulph. Very important remedy, Maxsulph. Now a very important remedy called Medorinum. It is simple, written in Medorinum, psychotic warts on genitals. Now psychotic wart means exactly psychotic warts. They are large, they are cauliflower type, they are fleshy, they are all types of wart, but a psychotic constitution. Medorinum, a psychotic miasm remedy. So psychotic constitution giving rise to psychotic warts, then Medorinum basically is indicated for this type of complaints, especially on the genitals, and that is Medorinum. One remedy that is very rare that comes to my mind is where the warts are flat. The warts are flat, smooth but painful on palms. See, on palms you must have seen anacardium, natremure, a lot of them, but flat warts on palms and painful. Now don't get confused because painful warts can also be nitric acid. Painful warts, as I told you, can be Kali silicatum. Painful warts could be Kali sulph. But now the warts are flat. They are smooth and painful warts on the palms, and a very rarely used remedy that you have to remember, that is Ruta graveolens. Yes, Ruta, a very interesting remedy for warts where the warts are soft, painful warts on the palms. As you go further, sulfur. Now whenever you want to prescribe sulfur for warts, the palms are dry, burn, cracked and peel, or eczema and warts on it. So these type of palms you can call dirty palms with warts on it. you can think about sulfur. One more remedy when there are heavy ring of warts around the anus. As I told you in my previous video, the first part, I told you something about sabina, something about thuja, but one more remedy where the warts are like heavy ring. It is a ring, the ring around the anus. It is very heavy ring and warts everywhere. This is a very important remedy. You have to know that is aurum metallicum. Though rarely used in case of warts, but if the anus has lot of heavy rings around the anus and heavy ring of warts around the anus, think of aurum metallicum. And one more indication of aurum metallicum is warts on the tongue. That is also aurum metallicum. I told you something about castor equi, where the warts were on the forehead or on the breast also. This type of location also is important. I told you something about ranunculus bulbosus, warts on the thumb. So this you have to remember so that you will be able to prescribe better. Like we have warts on the fingers, warts on the tip of the nose. So these are all indication of some remedies. As you go further, one important remedy which we commonly use for joint pains, and that is rus toxicodendron. Now in rus tox, warts especially on the hands and fingers. This is very important. Warts on the hands and fingers, they are large, they are pedunculated. Most important indication is they exude moisture and also bleed easily. See, so close, phosphorus we have, nitric acid we have, and now we have one more rus tox. So whenever warts bleeds easily, we first think about nitric acid, and when we fail, then we keep changing the remedies. But if you read Mater Medica in deeper, then you find rus tox also, where the warts are present on the hands and fingers. They are pedunculated like thuja also, but exude moisture and bleed easily. So these are the remedies that comes to my mind, which I wanted to share. Some rare remedies, some important remedies, so that it makes your prescription on warts better. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.